So my brother saw a lizard outside of the house. Oh fuck, someone shot him? No. And he looks kind of big, so I'm gonna try to sneak up on him. Hopefully I can, but the ground, as you can hear, is kind of crunchy. Oh, he's a fat one. Oh, you see him? Damn it. Oh, he's still right there. See, did he go out the gate? Hawk venom. See, what if he was poisonous? There he is. He went back up that way. Man, that sucks that I didn't get a good video of him. I'm gonna go check around outside. Because I want to get a good footage of him. Let's see if we can find him outside. Let's see if he's over here somewhere. Nope. Is he over there somewhere? Nope. Guess we can find him. Sad day. Sad day. What's up? I'm about to show you guys a pretty cool beehive inside of a tree. You can't really see the beehive, but you can see the bees. Beauty and the bees. That's what I like to call this one. It is currently, I don't know what o'clock. Yeah, that token right there, remember that back in the day? So that's where we suspect rats to be. And that's the beehive right there. Oh, holy shit. You seen that bee? Those bees with nectar on them? I'm getting a little scared because they don't like people up close like this. There's a beehive up in there. The big one. I haven't seen it, but I'm pretty sure it's big. And I don't want to get stung around. I'm wearing shorts and short sleeve. So, but I'm pretty sure it's big because the amount of bees that come out of that thing, come in and out of that thing at once, is crazy. Like, that was nothing. Like, normally it's like all around that thing all day. It's pretty chill right now though, but that was this. You know, just die.
And if you're embarrassed of your teeth, but then you're afraid to smile, and you know the condition of parents. We
demolished this little man's house without knowing. We didn't know he lived there. But yeah, he no longer has a home. So if you guys are like into that adoption type shit, look at him. His name's Jeffrey. Jeffrey the lizard. Although he likes to say he's an iguana, I don't see it. But yeah, he's Jeffrey the lizard, and I'll give him to you for adoption for $50 billion. If you look at him, he's saying yeah, he's saying do it, please adopt me. $50 billion is a deal. That's what he's saying. You guys want to see where he lived? Okay. So we've been just taking this stuff away from right here, and he had a cozy little mansion. You know, he had a cozy little hideaway mansion out in the hills. Look at, there's like a daddy long leg type creature right there. But yeah, he was living right here. Right up in here, this area right here. Pretty cool home for a lizard. Pretty cool home for a lizard. So we found another. Ooh, he doesn't like being filmed. He's camera shy. He's camera shy, man. He was laying there. He was legit laying there until I put the camera on him. Look at him. You're not going in there. But yeah, we found another home, another inhabitant of this home. Look at him blending in with the surroundings. Spider. Scary. Alright, so we're back here at the home of the lizards that we saw earlier. And
this is what happened when Bobby's little bitch ass stays home.
Robert doesn't want to come, so look at this.
He acts like a little girl.
We just opened up this. We were trying to take this trunk out, and we found two fat ass lizards.
Male and female.
Look at this family.
First we found babies, and now we got male and female. Wow, how fucking cool is that, dude?
I feel bad for taking that trunk part off.
Right.
That's dope as fuck. They're all poisonous and bite me.
That's what I was thinking right now.
Look at oh, his tail got ripped off.
Oh, it grew back?
Yeah. You could tell because of the
He's
scales.
got his little hand on her tail. He's holding on her because he loves her. Oh.
He's like, I'll protect you.
He's like, I'm gonna play like I'm dead, and when they touch me, I'm gonna bite them. And we'll kill him when we run. Wow, what a trip, dude.
For real.
That sucks, dude. I have to take this down now.
It's crazy how they fit in there.
Right?
Like, it looks like it's just a perfect fit. And they're just right there.
Let's see, you ready? Watch what they gotta do now.
They spit venom at us.
Sucks, dude. They probably won't even do nothing right now because it's still cold.
Oh, yeah.
That sucks, dude.
That's crazy. The little one? Oh, I guess I scratched the top of my case. I don't know how.
I'm trying to move him, dude.
Doesn't even say GoPro anymore.
There you go. I'm gonna try and grab them both so they don't take off away from each other. I didn't want to go because my stomach hurts.
Yeah. Guys, we have to move them because we're getting rid of the logs. So, like, you want them to burn or you want them to have a new home. So we have to move them.
Yeah, they're good. And come here, babies. I know.
There they are, little fat.
That's the male,
lizards.
and this is the female. Put them up here on this log, let them warm up.
Don't worry, people. We're not killing them. We're relocating them.
Let them warm up in the sun. There they go, together. One tail sticking up next to the female. Oh, that's it.
Yeah, there they are.
Joey's all, every time I stay home from work, I always miss out on shit.
Yeah.
This time you got something, Bobby's little bitch ass stayed home.
Yeah.
I think we'll start doing Bobby homework. See how he likes it now.
So that's pretty cool.
That was cool, dude.
I am what I am today, 'cause I